There is a recent court ruling that vindicates Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The same thing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been saying about the Nigerian government, the PDP government, the APC government, the Tinubu government, the Buhari government. The same thing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been hammering on. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has now been vindicated because a court has declared that both PDP and the APC are terrorist organizations. And this court is an international court, and this is what we will be looking at in this particular video. In this particular video of Noble Media, if you have not subscribed, please kindly click on subscribe and join. Also follow our channel, because here in this channel we stand for justice and freedom. Let us look at this very news that just dropped few minutes ago from Canada. This is a court judgment in Canada that is saying that Tinubu's APC government, PDP, APC are all terrorist organizations. Canada court declares APC, PDP terrorist organizations, denies asylum to fleeing Nigerian politicians. Let us now pay closer attention to this particular news. Please come under the comment of this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Don't forget to watch this video to the end. A Canadian federal court has upheld a landmark immigration tribunal ruling that declared Nigeria's major political parties, the All Progressive Congress and the People's Democratic Party, terrorist organizations, while refusing asylum to former member Douglas over his decade-long affiliation with both parties. They are refusing asylum, to a former member of these two political parties just because he's a member of that party. In a judgment delivered on June 17, 2025, obtained by People Gazette, Justice Fong Ngo, that is a Canadian judge, dismissed Mr. Erevo's application for judicial review after Canada's Immigration Appeal Division found him inadmissible under security provision of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act. The Minister of Public Safety and Emergency Preparedness has urged that the PDP had argued that the PDP and the APC were deeply implicated in acts of political violence. Pay attention, oh. This is the same thing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been hammering on. This is the same thing that made them to capture him, kidnap him in Kenya, bring him back. This is the same reason, the same thing Nnamdi Kanu has been saying that led them to invade his home in Afaruku, wanted to kill him. This is the same thing that led to the death of the parents of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is because of this same thing that many Biafrans, many Igbo youths has been gunned down. Please come under the comment of this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or justice for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is very important. That PDP and APC were deeply implicated in the acts of political violence, subversion of democracy, and electoral bloodshed, inflicting harm and terror on Nigerians. This one is from Canada. We're not Nnamdi Kanu talking now. This man, this former member, joined the PDP at its founding in 1999 and left PDP, that is, the decamped in 2007 when he defected to the APC, staying there until 2017. You know, there are always politicians in Nigeria, they will join this party. Before you can say Jack Robinson, they have joined another party. Before you can wake up, they have decamped to another party. That is the way it is. He claimed that his personal record was untainted by the violence and manipulation that plagued Nigerian politics, insisting that he has never personally engaged in terrorism or subversion. But Justice Ngo in Canada was unconvinced, writing that the conduct of individuals who are members of the PDP, including high-ranking officials and those who committed political violence and intimidation on their behalf, is too widespread and persistent over too great a period of time to disassociate the leadership of the party from their actions. According to the court filing, this man entered Canada in September 2017 and disclosed his political history in a background declaration form under questioning by the Canada Board Service Agency. In 2018, he confirmed his 8-year PDP membership before switching to the APC. This is where Canada got problem with him. That if you have been a member of APC, if you have been a member of PDP, then you have been a member of a group that have been committing acts of terrorism in Nigeria. Canadian immigration authorities flagged his affiliation, citing intelligence and international reports that linked both APC and PDP to electoral misconduct and politically motivated killings. Is this not what Martin Nnamdi Kanu has been talking about? Please come under the comment of this video and type free Martin Nnamdi Kanu or justice for Martin Nnamdi Kanu. The IAD focused on the PDP's record during the 2003 and 2004 polls as sufficient and determinative for his case, but the court acknowledged evidence that political violence was not unique to one party, reflecting a broader culture of malpractice in Nigeria's political class. Okay, in January 2019, an immigration officer declared this man inadmissible under Section 34 of the IRPA, covering terrorism and subversion of democracy. That is, that what is going on in Nigeria under APC and PDP is terrorism and subversion of democracy. Okay, we must move on. Central to the decision was the PDP's violent record during the 2003 state elections and 2004 local government polls, when it controlled the federal government and most states during the tenure of former President Olusegun Obasanjo and Vice President Atiku Abubakar. This is what has been going on in Nigeria, both when it was Obasanjo, when it was Goodluck Jonathan, when it was, under PDP, under APC, during Muhammadu Buhari, when he was still alive. Of course, we know the battle between Buhari and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and all the rest. Okay? They said the IAD found and the judge agreed that PDP members and loyalists engage in ballot stuffing, ballot box snatching, voter intimidation, and the killing of opposition supporters and candidates. The party leadership, enjoying the benefit of such violence, took no action to stop it. This is what is happening. The crime, the terrorism is so much that even a court in Kenya affirmed it, that even a court in Canada is also recalling the same very thing that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has been saying. We must now move on. An admission of membership in an organization is sufficient, regardless of the nature, frequency, duration, or degree of involvement. This means that in Canada, once you are, the way Canada sees, once you are a member of APC or PDP, they see you as a person involved in a terrorist organization. This is what is going on now. Okay? Mr. Egeravon's argument that violence was endemic across all Nigerian parties and that it was, or even this man is saying that violence is everywhere in Nigerian political parties, and that it was unfair to call the PDP's action subversion when Nigeria's election could not be deemed democratic by Canadian standard. Nigerian elections cannot be deemed democratic by Canadian standard, was dismissed as legally unattainable. Justice Ngo wrote that even flawed Nigerian elections constitute a democratic process under Canadian law, and undermining them for political gain is subversion. The ruling stands as one of the clearest pronouncements by a foreign court equating Nigeria's ruling and former ruling parties with terrorist entities under international law. It reaffirmed that party membership abroad can justify exclusion from Canada if the organization is linked to terrorism and democratic subversion. This is justice. Please come under the comment of this video and type freedom, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or justice for Biafrans, or justice for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Even without criminal record, okay. This dismissal leaves Mr. Egarava's asylum claim effectively dead, with deportation proceedings expected to follow. They will deport this man. They will deport him just for being a member, having been a former member of PDP and being a member of APC was enough for Canada to say, no, this man should not be part of our country. This man deserves to be deported. Come under the comment of this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, type free Biafrans, type free justice for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Or do you want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to remain there? Let us know in the comment section. Like this video, please help us share this video. Click on share it here on this platform. Copy the link when you click on share it on all WhatsApp groups, on all Facebook groups. Share it to your friends, your followers. Please encourage them to come under this particular video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because we are still in this struggle. Let them come. We want at least 1,000 comments typing justice for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and free Biafrans. Join our channel, click on join, also click on subscribe. By the way, there's an important video on the screen for you. I recommend you click on it and watch now.